Hi, today we're going to talk about Morningstar Investor, a stock research platform that I have been using for many years. So this is the Morningstar Investor platform, and on the left hand side you can see there is these tools that are available on this platform. These tools are pretty standard for any stock research platforms. You have portfolio management tool, you have watch list, you have a stock screener, you have charting, you have markets, overview of the global markets. You have a calendar for important events, economic events or company events. You have stocks analysis, you have mutual funds analysis, you have ETF analysis. So most of the time I use Morningstar Investor for its stock analysis, and occasionally I use its stock screener. Portfolio management tool, I don't use it. I use something else for my portfolio management and tracking. Watch list, I don't use Morningstar Investor watch list. I use my broker's platform to keep a watch list of stocks that I'm interested in. Charting, I don't use Morningstar Investor charting because this charting is pretty basic. If I really need charting, I will use TradingView. TradingView is one of the best charting software out there in the market right now. If you are interested in trying out TradingView, you can find the link below. Markets. This gives you an overview of global markets, and you can find this kind of information on almost any stock websites or stock research platform. Calendar is also very common, and you can find it almost on any stock websites. So the stocks page on Morningstar Investor platform is the page that I use the most, and especially the investment idea section, where you can find all the latest stock ideas recommended by Morningstar. You can see here there is a list of technology companies that are recommended by Morningstar. These technology companies have a wide moat and are currently trading at very attractive prices. And this list is a list of 5-star stocks. So what is 5-star stock? Morningstar actually has a star rating system, and Morningstar's star rating gives you an idea of the stock's current valuation. So in other words, it tells you whether the stock is above its estimated fair value or below its estimated fair value or near its estimated fair value. So it's calculated actually by comparing the stock's current market price with Morningstar's estimated fair value of the stock, and the further the market price is below the fair value, the higher the star rating is, with 5-star being the highest and 1-star being the lowest. So a 5-star rating means that the stock is trading meaningfully below its estimated fair value, and on the other hand, a 1-star or a 2-star rating means the stock is trading meaningfully above its estimated fair value, and a 3-star rating means the stock is trading near its estimated fair value. So the question is Morningstar fair value estimate reliable? Morningstar calculates its fair value estimate based on its estimate of how much cash the company will generate in the future. But as we all know, no one can predict the future with 100% accuracy. So that's why Morningstar actually takes into account the predictability of the company's future cash flow. So the less predictable or uncertain the future cash flow is, the higher the margin of safety is required for a 4-star or 5-star rating. So for example, McDonald's future cash flow is more predictable and stable than, let's say, an entertainment company, Lionsgate Entertainment. So for Lionsgate Entertainment stock to be assigned a 4-star or even a 5-star rating, its current market price must be much lower than its estimated fair value. So all in all, I think Morningstar rating and fair value estimate are useful to certain extent. I actually use this list of 5-star stocks to do my put option selling on stocks because it gives me a very wide safety margin. So if you are interested in finding out more about how to sell put options on fundamentally good stocks for monthly income, you can check out my other video here. So if I'm interested in selling put options on any one of them, I will actually do more in-depth research into that company before I put on my option trades. So one of the stocks that is on the 5-star stock list is called Estee Lauder, and I'm interested in this company. So what I will do is I'm going to this stock page where you can find the stock analysis and all the financial information on this company. As you can see that Morningstar's estimated fair value for Estee Lauder is $210, and right now its current price is $99.80, which is about 52% below its estimated fair value. So here is Morningstar's analysis on Estee Lauder. Here is a short commentary following company news recently. And what I'm interested most is analysis on its business strategy, outlook, and possible risks. Here is a section where you can find possible reasons for why you should be bullish on Estee Lauder, and here is a list of reasons why you should be bearish on Estee Lauder. So this is what I'm interested in really, because I think it's very important to understand the downside risks in the company that I'm planning to buy. So basically it says that Estee Lauder lacks key rival L'Oreal in research and development for derma-based skincare products, which are gaining popularity among consumers, and it also remains exposed to a struggling US department stores, even after efforts to reduce counters and diversify into other more productive channels. And lastly, several cosmetics brands have underperformed in recent years, and leaving Estee Lauder vulnerable for market share loss in that category. So this is the most worrying risk, because potential loss in market share means potential loss in future earnings. So it will have the most impact on its share price in the future. So what I want to do next is I will do more in-depth research to find out more on how big and how real this potential risk is. And next you can see this section where the analyst talks about why they give Estee Lauder a wide economic moat. So basically, she thinks that it has a strong brand equity, and it also has entrenched retail relations associated with its premium beauty products. And on top of that, it has cost advantages. So that's why she assigns a wide economic moat to Estee Lauder. You can read up here. So this is the section on fair value and profit drivers, and the analyst will share about her assumptions she used in her financial modeling to come up with the fair value estimate, $210. And here is a section on risk and uncertainty, and she explains why she gives a medium uncertainty rating to Estee Lauder. So this last section is on capital allocation. So capital allocation is very important because you want to find out whether this company is using its capital efficiently or not. So what I want to see is whether it has a strong balance sheet, or does it have a lot of debt that it can't service, or does it create value for its shareholders through either dividends or share buybacks. And lastly, when it comes to acquisition, is the acquisition a success or a failure? So these are all important questions that you want to ask. So this analysis section is the most important section that I use. For the rest of the page, you can see the price versus fair value chart. Sustainability is trailing returns, and some key statistics, and financial statements, and valuation, its valuation and operating performance and dividend splits. So what I use the most is this fair value assessment as well as the analysis here.